Okay, let's create a Chihuahua here. Just inflate a balloon, leaving the allowance at the end should be, let's say, 4 or 5 inches. Now, first step is create a small mouth and create a 1-inch bubble here, another 1-inch bubble here, and another 1-inch bubble here. So we have 3 1-inch bubble, put it together as a loop. Now, create a teddy bear twist here. Teddy bear twist. Twist this around, just like that. And the other side, just do the same thing. And we end up the head and the ears of our Chihuahua. Just like that. Okay, now, talking about the body. So, 1 inch for the neck. Create a 1 inch for the front legs. Another 1 inch for that. Put it together as a loop. Now, create a 2 inch for the body. And 1 inch for the leg. Another 1 inch for the legs. So we have 2 legs here. Now, we have excess balloon here. Put it here. Again. But before we do that, create another 2-inch bubble. Twist it around. And for the last part, twist this all together, the tail and the last legs. Okay. So now, we have a cutie Chihuahua here. See? Chihuahua. Chihuahua. Another version of a dog. Chihuahua.